So if you guys are thinking about maintenance provided villas or maintenance provided communities, well, we've got you covered. Because on this episode, what we're doing is we're going to take a walk through and talk everything about the property right behind us. So stick with us to the end. We got great information for you guys. You definitely don't want to miss this. So let's jump into it. So if this is the first time to your channel, well, thank you very much for stopping by. Please click like and subscribe. All the information is below. Click the bell icon so you can get notified every time that we add a new video to the channel. So if you've been to this channel before, we greatly appreciate it. Please leave us some feedback. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see down below. So folks, just like you reach out to us all the time looking for information on relocating to Kansas City, buying their first home, looking for some land to build their forever home, upgrading, downsizing, looking for investment properties, which is what we do a lot of as investors. So we've got a lot of information to share with you guys that we can help you along the way, particularly if you're looking to invest in the Kansas City metropolitan area. We've got tons of information and resources to help you find your first rental or add to your rental portfolio. Don't hesitate in reaching out to us. Send us a text, an email, a phone call, or better yet, send us a Zoom call. There's nothing more than we'd like to talk about real estate investing, properties, what the market's doing, what's it going to do in the future, what we've done in the past. So use this as a resource for anything you guys need for real estate investing or anything having to do with buying and selling property. So my name is Fernando Marquez, and I'm a licensed real estate agent with United Real Estate Kansas City. And this is my channel, Investing and Living in Kansas City. So I've been in Kansas City since April 5th, 1986. That's just a little over 38 years. So we've got lots of information because we've seen this city grow in leaps and bounds, and it's still growing even more. So definitely reach out to us. We would love to talk to you and help you find your next home, help you find your next investment property, or help you relocate to the Kansas City area. Now, we're in Kansas City, Missouri right now in the Northland, but we also service the rest of Kansas City, Missouri, as well as on the Kansas side. So if you're looking for properties or investment properties over on the Kansas side, well, we can help you. We've got you covered there as well. So remember, email, phone call, text, or better yet, send us a Zoom call. So hopefully this information you found useful. Let us know, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. We'll go from there. So this property behind us is a new construction. Okay, I'm going to show you this property through and through, outside and inside. As you can tell, it's almost down to the finish line. They have to do some work on the landscape and just kind of finish things up. They're in the process of staging this here in the next week or so. So let's jump into it. Let's go through the entire property. We'll talk about everything, all the upgrades, things you want to look for in a new construction. And at the end, we'll do a recap, which is what everybody wants to hear anyway, is, you know, the description of the property, beds, baths, and what the price is. So let's jump into it. All right, folks. So here's the property from the outside. Okay, you got a nice driveway. Obviously, you can see right here, we're not going to be walking around the property or in the back, but we can see, we'll be able to see what it looks like. You see over here on the side, got a little bit of a front yard, not a whole lot. And that goes in between the two properties. So this is what the properties look like on either side. This is what the neighborhood looks like. These are all what they call villas. They're mostly all going to be the same, 2-car garage. Some are 3, and this is all maintenance provided. This is a brand new community. This is very nice. So let's start going in on the inside. So you see you got a stone facade in the front, dark frame windows, which you were seeing a lot now as opposed to the white. So nice entryway, that nice solid door with the windows and the side light. Now we're coming in. Let's take a look at the flooring. So as you can see, it's luxury vinyl planking. Look at this entryway right here. These are, I believe, 9-foot ceilings. You can see all these nice light fixtures. Okay, so off to the right as you come in, we're going to have two of the 3 bedrooms, and right in the center is a full bathroom. So Let's go ahead and go into bedroom number 1. You can see up here the lighting, all LED lighting. Double doors for the closet. These are going to be mostly a black and white trim in here. 3-panel doors. Let's go to the bedroom number 2. These are decent sized bedrooms. This is the bedroom looking to the front of the house. Over here is the same setup as a closet, double door, 3 panels per door. What I like about this house is got a nice large entryway. It's very wide. It's probably about 7 feet wide. So we go down the entryway, take a left, and then right here is going to be your washer and dryer area. And then you're going to have your closet in there. And this door will lead to your 2-car garage. There's about 3 steps down. You can see where they're getting ready to stage it this week. Okay. So now as you just came out of laundry, we walk right into the living room area. As you can see over to the left is gas fireplace. Above that is where your TV will go. Look at those large almost floor to ceiling windows. We move over to the right. You can see the slider that goes out to the backyard. We'll look at that here in a second. And then you've got your dining area right over here. Very nice chandelier up top. Those window lights there let in a lot of light. We move over into the kitchen, custom built kitchen with quartz countertops. Look at those 40-inch cabinets. Very nice. The color matching is really, really attractive. Look at the backsplash. I personally really like this. It's a subway tile that they lay in a herringbone pattern. Makes it look very elegant. You have a stainless steel appliance package, all Samsung. Double bowl sink. And of course, in a property like this, you get the crown molding, which I would say is a must. Look at these countertops. And in your island, look at those very attractive pedestal lights. Forgot the actual name, but they're very nice. Over here is a seating area for 2, possibly 3 in your island. So we'll go outside and take a look around there after we get done. But very nice open area. So we're getting ready to go into the master bedroom over here. Lots of light. So these windows are looking into the backyard. So now here's the master bathroom. You can see it's got a nice barnyard door. Custom vanity, double vanity. Very nice lights and mirrors over here. With some gold accents to go with the black trim. And then over to the right has got a really nice large shower. Floor to ceiling tile work, which is very nice. Got nice glass doors and glass surround. Very attractive. We got the linen closet right here. And then you got a decent sized walk-in closet. And if you've seen any of my previous videos, I always say the same thing. While this is nice and it's roomy, for me, I'd be out. My wife would take up all of this, but everybody's different. I think most of the guys would probably agree, but that's a joke, by the way. So we're coming through here. Now let's go back out to into the living room area, and let's take a look at the backyard, see what the backyard looks like and what you have to look forward to. So here we are coming out into the backyard. Okay, you can see that they've got a lot of grass to put down, but it's a decent sized backyard. It's got a little bit of an incline there. So I'm literally at the front door, at the back door, and then just panning out. So you've got this really nice covered area over here with a ceiling fan. That's always nice. So you can get out of the element. You got a poured patio over here, barbecue, some tables and chairs, and have a nice night or have a nice time. You know, drink coffee in the morning. Got a nice breeze coming through here. Here's our neighbor setup, which is essentially the same as ours. Okay. So here's the in between the other property. See the AC out there, and that's a egress for the basement, which will be going down here shortly. Okay. So that's that side. I don't want to go ahead and walk all over the grass or the dirt and stuff. So, and then one of the road coming in is on the backside over there. Here's what the downstairs look like. You've got 9-foot ceilings down here, and it's completely open. Okay. I mean, this is a really cool setup, to be honest with you. As you can see over here, we're already plumbed for a bathroom. Okay. Those are your water lines, your sewer lines right there. So this was done, or in the future, someone wants to go ahead and add a bathroom and add this place out. Well, you're completely covered. So this right here is an egress window, which this is a nice addition to this property, because that means that you can build out a bedroom down here, okay, and it'll be a conforming bedroom, which means it's a legal bedroom, because that's your access out in case there's an emergency. So that's definitely a good thing. It's already insulated down here. You see all the walls are insulated. It's a very nice, large, functional space. So back over here, here's your high efficiency water heater and furnace. Look at all of this space you got down here. It's basically the size of the house minus the garage, because it's not a raised garage. Look, you've got the sump pump in the back. So this was, I mean, they did a solid job by setting this up the way it is. So down here, you know, what you can do down here is pretty much endless. I mean, right off the bat, without really applying too much design to it, you know, you come down here, this whole area down here, you can frame out, continue this wall all the way here. That would be a bathroom right there. This would be a bedroom right here. And this would be a gaming area. Maybe you can put a wet bar down here, you know, large family room. You put a big screen TV. And then on the other side, all of this over here could all be storage. You know, this is all storage area. You can put a small shop back here. What you can do is you're only limited by your imagination. So it's a really great setup. So let's go ahead and run back upstairs. All right, folks, so here are the numbers, which is everybody wants to know. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,526 square feet. It has an HOA monthly fee of $190, which that covers your pool area, your trails, play area, and it also covers snow removal and grass maintenance throughout the year. This property is listed just under $425,000. So hopefully this video is giving you some insight into what a brand new construction in Kansas City, in the Northland in Clay County, will get you for $425,000. So when I'm looking at folks that are relocating from East Coast or West Coast, and they see what they can get brand new properties here in the Kansas City metro area, particularly this one, which is in the Northland, close to the airport, they're totally blown out of the water. So this is $425,000 for a brand spanking new 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,500 square foot home. It's pretty hard to beat that. And it's a maintenance provided community. So if this is something you guys are looking for, or something else in the real estate area, it could be anything: townhomes, condos, single family, multifamily, whatever it is, reach out to me. We've got you covered. We've got tons of experience. We'll be more than happy to get you guys exactly what you want, and most of all, exactly what you need. So reach out to us. God bless, and thank you very much.